Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and foldable phones are becoming the buzzword of 2019. Yes, after the Galaxy Fold, Huawei has launched the Mate X 5G foldable phone. And while they did not let us touch it, we did get a good look at the Mate X 5G foldable phone. So what are you waiting for? Let's take a look. Okay, so this is the new Huawei Mate X, the latest foldable phone out there, and let me just get this out of the way. I like it a lot more than the Galaxy Fold which Samsung unveiled with the Galaxy S10 flagship. Anyway, as you can see, unlike the Galaxy Fold, the Mate X folds from the outside, which I think is cooler, although this makes the phone more susceptible to scratches. So in the folded mode, the Mate X is like a dual display phone, like say the Vivo Next Dual Display Edition. So there's the primary 6.6-inch OLED screen like your usual phone, plus a secondary 6.4-inch OLED display that can be used to take selfies. Now, when you unfold the phone, you get the Mate X with an almost bezel-less 8-inch OLED display. Yeah, it looks super cool, and I like the fact that unlike the Galaxy Fold, which has a lot of bezels, this is just cutting edge and truly striking. Plus, it's a big and beautiful display, which means the media consumption experience gets a lot better. And you can run two apps side by side on this big display for a better multitasking experience as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and just watching it fold and unfold is just so pleasing to the eye. I mean, this is the future. Huawei has been working on this tech for almost 3 years now, and the result is a foldable phone that's well built and something that actually people can use. It's just impressive that the Mate X is so thin, does not have any gaps when folded, and I really like the innovative and complex hinge design called the Falcon wing design, which has 100 components that have been patented. So yeah, it's definitely a step towards the future. It's not perfect, I know. In some of the shots from an angle, you can see a bit of a crease at the center of the display where it folds. But Huawei has promised that this will be fixed when the device retails in the middle of 2019. So yeah, I'm positive about it. Anyway, apart from that, you must have noticed this thicker section in the device. Well, this section, sidebar thing, packs in the essentials of the Mate X. It has a Leica branded triple camera setup, which is the same as the Mate 20 Pro. So you get the 40 megapixel primary camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and it should capture some great shots. Apart from that, there's the USB-C port on the bottom and the power key on the side, which doubles up as a fingerprint scanner. Moving on to the specs of the Mate X, it's got the latest Kirin 980 chipset with the Balong 5000 5G chipset, 8GB RAM, 512GB storage, and a 4500 mAh battery, which seems decently sized for the huge 8-inch display on the Mate X. Plus, it has super fast charging. The Mate X supports 55-watt supercharging that can charge the phone to 85% in just 30 minutes. So yeah, that is pretty impressive. So yeah, that's pretty much all the specs in the Huawei Mate X. Now coming to the price, the phone will arrive later this year at 2,300 euros, which is around 1,85,000 rupees. Yes, that's even pricier than the Galaxy Fold. But hey, I like the fact that Huawei addressed the price, saying that so many technologies in the phone make it a little pricey, and they'll try to reduce the price of the foldable phone with future iterations. So hopefully we'll have some affordable foldable phones in the future. But coming back to the Mate X, this is a bold move from Huawei, and a move that should be appreciated. I mean, here we have a foldable phone that's actually usable. I know there are doubts about its durability and about the whole foldable phone concept, but hey, at least it's a start, and I think it's commendable. Hey guys, we are live here from MWC 2019 in Barcelona. So to get exclusive videos from the event, make sure to hit that bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.